Hello and welcome to my general anatomy lecture series, and in today's lecture we will talk about the types of the bones. Basically, bones are classified on different bases. For example, the size and the shape on the basis of their region, structure, development, and there is some miscellaneous classification. First of all, on the basis of the size and the shape, the bones are classified into a long bone. As the name indicates, they are long and have a specific structure, a two ends and a shaft. For example, the femur in the thigh or the humerus in the forearm. Then the long short bones. They have the features of both long and the short bones. They are short but have a structure of a long bones, including two ends and a shaft. Examples are the metacarpals and the phalanges. Then the short bones. They are short in size but of various structures. Examples are the tarsals of the foot, then the flat bones. Flat bones have a specific structure in which a spongy bone is sandwiched between two compact bones. Example is the sternum or the skull. Then the irregular bones. They have no specific shape. Example is the vertebra of the spine. Then the sesamoid bone. Sesamoid means seed shaped. Example is the patella of the knee. Then on the basis of the region. Axial bones are the bones of the axial skeleton. And then the appendicular bones, the bones of the appendicular skeleton. For more details of axial and appendicular skeleton, you can also visit the previous lecture. On the basis of the structures, bones are classified in compact bone and the spongy bone. A compact bone having a circular lamellae or the Haverian canals, and the spongy bone is just like a sponge and they have linear lamellae. On the basis of the development, bones are classified into intramembranous, membranocartilaginous, intracartilaginous bones. The intramembranous bones are those which develop directly from a mesenchyme. They are actually needed for the support of the developing embryo. For example, the bone of the vault of the skull or the facial bone, except the mandible. That is the example of membranocartilaginous bone that have the features of both membranous and cartilaginous bones. Then the intracartilaginous bone. During development, first a cartilaginous model formed that matures into a bone. Example is the spine. Then the miscellaneous classification. Supernumerary bones, the accessory bones, and the pneumatic bones. The supernumerary bones means an extra bone, and the point to remember is the extra bone related to the appendicular skeleton. For example, the polydactyly, an extra finger. Then the accessory bone, an extra bone associated with the axial skeleton. Example is the cervical rib, an accessory rib attached to the C7. Then the pneumatic bones having sinuses the bone of the maxilla. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.